Hi, I'm Andrea from Mafra, and today we're going to discover together Maniac, the new line for you, real car care maniac. Black and Wrap shampoo washes and protects, anti-scale action. Let's check out together its characteristics and how it works. Two-in-one shine and stain-resistant action in one single product. Its formula removes the limescale microfilm which forms wash after wash. Designed for black cars, film coated with PPF, also with matte finish. Soft, compact, and lubricated foam to avoid the formation of swirls and micro scratches. Black paint cars are very stylish, but their cleaning can require greater care because every little scratch or flaw is very evident. In case of polished finish, it fades the color. The matte finish is much more porous and incorporates dirt more by absorbing the traffic film. Therefore, in these cases, we need a specific wash with our Black and Wrap shampoo. Before using Black and Wrap shampoo, as usual before washing with a manual shampoo, let's perform a thorough pre-wash with foam gun pre-wash. To learn more about this stage, watch the dedicated video. Let's perform the manual car wash with the double bucket system. One bucket will contain the water and shampoo solution. The other bucket will be used to rinse the washing glove or sponge. If you want to learn more also about this technique, watch the dedicated video to the washing accessories. We will need a wash support, a glove or a sponge, the one you prefer as long as they are made of a soft and perfectly clean microfiber. Let's go forward and prepare the water and shampoo solution. Let's dilute 4 cups of product in 8 liters of water in one bucket. Now let's perform a thorough manual wash by washing one panel at a time, always in the shade, on a wet car and from the top to the bottom. After cleaning each panel, rinse the washing sponge or glove in the bucket with the clean water. Let's rinse the glove or sponge frequently, as particles remain trapped in the sponge and the risk is to have an abrasive effect. Or even worse, it can cause scratches in the paint in the following steps. Let's work on one panel at a time, paying attention to the cleaning of all components, including logos and details. The high lubricating property creates a slippery surface which allows the glove to slide without causing micro scratches or swirls. Let's complete the wash all over the car without ever letting the shampoo dry on the car body. Take some time to perform this operation with no rush. Take the time to wash your car as it is the time you take for taking care of yourself. Do you know how often it has happened to me to forget about a spot because I wanted to carry out the operations in a hurry? Do one panel at a time and you won't forget about any spots and the whole operation will be easier. Seeing is believing. Let's rinse the car with high pressure water. Its formula, rich in mineral chelating, allows to drastically prevent the formation of limescale stains during drying, the so-called water spots, leaving the surface perfectly clean. You see how water opens itself during rinsing? The surface has been completely purified and so water slides like a compact veil. During drying, we recommend using our Super Dryer Ultra Absorbent Microfiber Cloth. Black and Wrap shampoo is a real 2-in-1. It makes paint or adhesive coating film look younger by deeply and gently removing even the most persistent dirt. Your car will have a revitalized and younger looking aspect, so these are the characteristics of Black and Wrap shampoo. If the car is coated by film or is protected, it will boost its performance, removing the limescale and reactivating its properties. Can I also use it on light-colored cars? Of course. The product is a real decontaminating shampoo. You could use it anytime your car body is dull and matte. It will revitalize it, giving it a shiny new look. How often can I use Black and Wrap shampoo? You can use it anytime you see the surface is dull and matte. It is always safe because its high lubricating power makes the surface slippery, and the glove can slide without causing any micro scratches or swirls. Does Black and Wrap shampoo contain wax? No, because it risks polishing matte surfaces, but it contains some protective coatings which allows it to keep the original look over time, preserving limescale stains which give dullness to black or wrapped cars. The product also guarantees an anti-scale action. You'll get a purified and protective surface against the next formation of limescale after just one wipe. Can I perform the wash even if I only have one bucket? Yes, but you must rinse time and again the support you chose for the wash, either a sponge or a glove. It is essential that at each panel the washing support is perfectly clean, so that the water and shampoo solution deposits on the surface and will help you bring the dirt to the surface and remove it gently without causing any damage. If I don't have a second bucket, I can rinse the one that I used to rinse the support into a source of water. I'm going to give you another tip which suits every manual wash. Use more than one support. Either it is a soft microfiber glove or a sponge. One for the upper part of the car, which is usually less dirty, and one for the lower part, which is usually dirtier. Turn it up often, clean one panel at a time, and rinse frequently. It's very important that the residues you have removed cannot be moved when washing the following panel. Work on small areas at a time. Take all the time you need, and you'll finish in no time with a great result. Finally, some tips. As with all products, use it in the shade and never on a hot surface. We recommend using the double bucket wash system. First, perform a pre-wash with our foam gun pre-wash. Thanks for watching us. Keep on following us on our social media channels for more videos and tips. Cheers from Andrea.